Hey guys, my name is Dr. Arora, the TMJ dentist. I welcome you to my practice, TMJ and Stop Snoring Solutions in Fairfield, Connecticut. Let me give you a brief introduction about myself. I graduated from NYU in 2005. Then I did additional 2-year orthodontic certificate from POS. Then I did additional certifications in sleep apnea, TMJ and orofacial pain from Tufts University in Boston. My practice is limited to the following 4 major areas. Number 1, sleep apnea in children. Number 2, sleep apnea in adults. Number 3, tongue tie issues. Number 4, TMJ issues, myofascial pain issues, and orofacial pain issues. Any questions or concerns, please call me at 475-282-4551 or visit my website tmjandstopsnoring.com.